Hey everyone! Assalamu Alaikum! Today I am super excited to share my process for drawing a stunning Monstera leaf. First, I start with a light pencil sketch, carefully capturing the intricate details of the leaf. Next, I grab my trusty black fine tip pen to outline and define the edges. Now comes the exciting part, coloring. I use a combination of dark and light green brush markers to bring the Monstera leaf to life. The dark tones add depths and shadows, while the lighter shades highlight the natural patterns. Grab your sketchbook and join me on this creative journey. Subscribe for more art inspiration, and let me know in the comments which drawing you like to see next.